In number 35, in your classwork for simplifying rational expressions, I ask you to simplify the fraction. So we have 3p squared minus p minus 2, which we can factor to become 3p squared. Now we're looking for something that multiplies to 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So two numbers that multiply to negative 6 but add to negative 1. So that occurs with negative 3p and plus 2p minus 2. All over the denominator. Pulling out the greatest common factor in the denominator is going to be a 4 times 1 minus p. And we can simplify the numerator further. So grouping this 3p squared minus 3p, we can pull out 3p. Then we're left with p minus 1. Then plus grouping these two together, we have 2 times p minus 1. So the numerator can be factored to a 3p plus 2 times p minus 1 all over 4 times 1 minus p. And these two terms here are very similar, where they're just multiplied by a negative. So we can pull out a negative in the numerator to make this 3p plus 2 times a negative, just pulling out a negative from the p and a negative from the 1, it leaves us with a plus 1, all over 4 times 1 minus p. Now we can cross out these two terms because they're the same, and we're left with this negative in the numerator. So we have negative 3p plus 2 over 4, with the domain restriction occurring at where the numerator, the denominator cannot equal 0. So 1 minus p cannot equal 0, meaning that p cannot equal 1 as our restriction for the simplified expression.